Start the Helios 600 software, log in, and make sure that the remote control function is enabled. Start scanning. After scanning, you can check the 3D model without touching the PC. By waving the scanner, the 3D model will rotate synchronously. Long press the Start, Stop button. The command interface will pop out. Select by moving the scanner. When the corresponding button turns blue, release your finger. Refining. After refining, you can also use the remote control function to give corresponding commands.